Alright, what I'm going to show you, I'm going to take a look inside the Team Big Home Business TRS 9900 round robin machine. Nobody on this planet Earth, no other earthling on this planet of yours that's in the home-based business niche TextBot has this. Nor can they do it. Nor can they pay someone. This is more secret than the Coca-Cola formula found in the vault in Atlanta, Georgia last time I checked on it. I'm being serious. I know I'm being funny, but I'm being serious. This, you'll see, we've been testing. We've been testing because yesterday starts the beginning of 1,000 postcards a week that went out to this TextBot machine Rotator TRS machine. You'll see the lead phone number here. You'll see the TextBot round robin phone number here. And you'll see our team Big Home Business agent here. Roger Rucker got the call all the way in Queens, across the pond. She's sipping her tea. She can be confident she got a call. The TRS 9900 round robin machine, bam! Got her a lead. Michael Bell, Michael Halchick, Merle Rowe, Gregory Flores, Gail Dickerson, Eddie Bennett, David Barber. Look at it. Now don't be texting me right, hey, my name's not out there. Some of y'all just got added. I don't want to hear it. But this is as powerful as it gets. Marty, Keith, Roger again. It starts circling again. Reginald Dawson, Gregory Flores. Nobody. Willie Combs. Nobody has it. Eric. Nobody has this. Wow, huh? I just want to show a demonstration. Do not send me an email. Well, I didn't see my name. I'm glad you didn't. Don't waste my time. Alright? And a lot of y'all just got on this yesterday, today, and this was during the testing phase, preparing for yesterday's launch of the postcards, the variable activated postcards. I just thought you'd find that neat to see.